Okay, I love doing these little snack videos. This is vegan, which is always a big thing for me since it's called, my channel is called Healthy Vegan Living. These are called chocolate chia beet bites. Now, they sound like they're just plain horrible, right? Chia and beets, how can anybody eat that? But the way they put them together, they are absolutely delicious. No, a cookie monster got into this container and ate most of them. But they left me enough, or should I say me, I left myself enough just so I could film this video.
Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living!
Okay, so let's talk about it. What exactly is a chocolate chia beet bites? They're gluten-free, they're plant-based, and they're dairy-free. Right there, that's a good combination. The back here, you can see they're vegan, they're non-GMO. There's just 4 ounces of it and costs a couple bucks at Sprouts. What they're made with, they're gluten-free oat flour, organic cocoa, gluten-free oats, organic Maine maple syrup. It'd be better if it was from Canada, but I'm not going to complain. Unsweetened applesauce, organic coconut oil, organic coconut sugar, organic dried beets, chocolate chip, cane sugar, unsweetened chocolate, cocoa, butter, organic quinoa crisp, organic chia seeds, baking soda, organic vanilla, and Himalayan sea salt. All the stuff that I use in my normal cooking. The nutritional facts is that there's 5 of them, so there must have been 10 cookies in this container. Each serving size is 2. The amount is 100 calories for 2 cookies, but they are so decadent you really feel the difference. The trans fat is 0, cholesterol is 0, sodium is 90 milligrams, total carbohydrates is 15 grams, dietary fiber is 2, protein is 2 grams, calcium is 17 milligrams, there's iron 1 milligram, potassium is 150 milligrams. Not a bad cookie overall. Something to think about if you want to have something unusual: chocolate chia beet bites. Absolutely delicious. Thank you for watching.
If you like this channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.